What's going to happen with Bitcoin? Get ready for 6 months after accumulation. It might explode. You want to know everything about that? Smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max, with Rodrigo Arnedo, your host for the most. Today, celebrating that Bitcoin is going up. And why? Well, mostly because Jerome Powell, of course, said that they are going to cut their rates, and that's amazing. Fed cuts interest rate by 50 basic points for first time since 2020. Fed sees two more 25 basis points rate cuts in 2024. Fed sees 100 bps of rate cuts in 2025 and 50 bps of cuts in 2026. So that was awesome, and that made Bitcoin go higher. As you can see right now, we are in 64,100. We broke this line of 60,000, and hopefully this time is for good. We have both Donald Trump and Elon Musk dancing out there because the market is in the green, and we just love it a big time. It's good to see rankings out there with all the cryptocurrencies in the green. It's also good to go to dexters.io and see the winners, and you can see how many of these bubbles are in the green. Everything's nice, everything's cool. Now that Japan kept key interest rates steady, and that's supposed to be also good for the market. So not just the decision in the United States, but also in Japan, good for economy liquidity allegedly. Any case, the stock market in Japan went down today. In China, we went up. So we'll see. We have to follow the stock market. Remember to watch all the videos and smash the like button so you have the last information. For example, about dollar. Right now, still under this line, which is a good thing for the stock market and crypto. But remember, we still have some bad news out there. For example, the fact that the gap still is there in 54,000 in the CME futures gap. So careful out there, because you may believe that Bitcoin following $10,000 in a day is not possible, or maybe even this weekend, but it happened in the past. You can see we had it here on August in one single day. So maybe we still have the possibility of going to touch the line that I told you that I see Bitcoin touching 54,000 and then back up again. Maybe that's too much. Maybe it's crazy. Maybe this gap is going to be empty forever. Well, I don't think so, but we'll see. And also remember that now that everybody is so bullish, remember we told you that the last time the Fed decided this, we went down for some time before going up. I told you everything about this in previous videos, so watch them all and consider also that we might be following 2023. Here you have the chart, and you can see that it's just 1 month ahead of it, but mostly the same scenario we have in 2023. Here's where CryptoCon told us once Bitcoin escapes to new all-time highs, you'll see what kind of boom 6 months of sideways price action can bring. That's the main theme today. But still, if we are following 2023, I went to TradingView, link in the description below, and you can see that we are just touching this moving average right now, and we might go all this way in September to 54, in my opinion. It says here 58, 54, something like that, and then up again in October. Remember, we told you about the possibility of 4 months in the green. That's still the case, but we don't know, 7%, maybe 2%, who knows. And remember also how we are comparing situation right now with 2016. If we go to 2016, you see it was a 6%, but on 2015 it was just a 2%. And we'll see which of these paths we are following now that we are 46 days to the election in United States. New president. Maybe you believe on week off, if it's playing out right now, as you can see, it might be. Well, the target, according to Mori Party, is $84,000. So that would be amazing. Of course, Crypto Robert telling us that we have this pattern here. It's going to be broken, and that means that Bitcoin will go higher. Also here from Stock Money Lizards telling us to remember that the target is October, November 2025, around 200K to 260K. Are you greedy enough? Maybe now that you see this pennant being broken, and that will bring us to $156,000. Awesome things and awesome news out there. For example, this one, the Louisiana state became the first in the nation to accept Bitcoin via the Lightning Network. So yeah, good for United States. Also remember that FTX will redistribute like $16 billion to creditors in Q4 2024. That's in 2 weeks' time. Good to know also that BlackRock is revealing, allegedly, it's quiet preparing for a $35 trillion Fed dollar crisis with Bitcoin. This is an article from Forbes. The idea is that they are finding in Bitcoin a safe haven in case the economy in the United States goes south. And some people have this clear. For example, Metaplanet, you can see here how the stock went up 443% since adopting the Bitcoin standard. So finally, we'll go to the Porsche place and we'll decide which Lamborghini or Porsche are we going to buy, wouldn't we? And are you greedy? Are you in fear? Well, today we have a nightmare story out there. Hopefully you're not affected, but we see here articles, ADSL Zone, saying that the Ponzi scheme from this guy, CryptoSpain, is over. It would promise you 53%, no tax payments required. So yeah, it seems, according to these press articles, that this was a bad thing. We told you about this long time ago, and I just wish that you are not affected. If you want to know everything about it, I found this video interesting from Professor Maverik, and there you have the whole story. We'll see how this works out, but if you were involved with this, well, this is not good news, of course. Watch the video, get all the information. And remember, we told you it's better, in our opinion, no financial advice. We are not experts, but just buying some Bitcoin or Ethereum and having a cold wallet. So we are safe with that. And then, of course, once we have this wallet, also we have to be safe with our words. And right now we have 50% off for this Keep Metal from Trezor, link in the description below, so that after that we can track all our crypto with things like coin tracking, and then we can create a tax report and with things okay, and we can rest in peace, we can go to sleep and we are okay, so that we are not gonna end in jail or paying crazy bills. If you want to know all about this, we have this section, Crypto Legal, in our website, fundright.com. There you have a lot of videos about the tools we use for doing this and all the questions that you might have. And if you need further explanations, remember this YouTube channel from Jesus Lorente. He's a legit guy. It's called CL Crypto. And there you have a lot of videos about crypto and legal issues. Also, whether you are affected or not for this fiasco, maybe you need now some advice, well, then contact them, CL Crypto. I'm gonna leave you the link in the description below, and good luck with that. Ethereum is going up, trying to fight this line here, breaking this point, very interesting right now, and we'll see about 200 and 700, and what about 3,000? But remember also, previous videos, I told you we might still need to be a little bit patient. More patience is asking us Bitcoin before going crazy up. About other cryptocurrencies, well, Kraken Pro Exchange list this Solana meme coin Popcat for spot trading, and if you go to dexter.io, you can see that in the last time it went crazy up. Remember, you can follow all this on dexter.io. Crypto Economy telling us about the new facial recognition function that has WorldCoin. Remember, this is not a project that I like, it's a controversial one, but it's okay to know the information so you can think about it and how to invest. Also, about Polkadot, we have core time launch already, and this meme of the creator dancing all over, having a nice time. We talk with Polkadot representative Albert on Blog Galicia. So if you haven't watched this video, go and watch it now. Very amazing information. And thank you to BitBase. They retweeted us about this interview with Dria. And if you saw the video, you can see at the beginning we have these transitions. Did you know that what the editors have used here was the Bitcoin white paper? Well, it is. So go now and watch the video if you haven't already, and be ready because this is the last snowflake of the crypto winter in Bitcoin, maybe. And keep on learning. Keep on learning like this guy is representative or the riders of this community. You can see that is learning, but not so smart. It's okay. We can make it any case. How? Learning about AI with our channel AI News, and of course, learning about crypto here with CryptoNews, Rodrigo Arnido, fun on the ride, health, money, love, poor in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!